Ak tililindo keyochi walutik tetutiet newendi koiku ng'atutiet nebo Kenya Health Care Professionals Policy nebo kenyitab 2026 nekosir ministry nebo tililindo newendi koribe kerichek chametabgei nebo biik ak boisietab kiboitinikab ministry nebo tililindo.
Kong'alali ichek en tuyet nebo keib kerutik anan public participation en taonitab Kericho nekaityi kiboitinikab sekta nebo tililindo kobun counties chebo Kericho, Bomet ak Narok ak biikab boror, komwa ichek kole mayan kebeberwek alak en tetutyonoton nekamwa kole makitesyi biik alak.
Raini kokakimite biikab healthcare workers chebo South Rift Kericho asikeker the policy, the drug policy nekicho Ministry of Health. That policy co-guiding the roles of healthcare workers across the board. And in this, and since I represent public health, what I saw in that draft is the omission of public health officers and public health technicians. They mixed with other cadres, which mabaru the roles chemuche koyai public health officers. So I just want to amochi this department was initiated way back in 1950, and the first public health officer was Tumboya. By then they was calling it public health inspector, of which I want to tell the drafters of the healthcare policy that they need not to abolish the department by mixing with other cadres. They need to come squarely and ensure that we have public health on board and to carry out what is mandated for them.
We get to discuss health in terms of tuguk cheyoche keyai sikochob kit nekararan netinye chitugul singomong'u komong kokakikas ng'olyo nebo chitugul amun kakimi tugul biik chechang chebo health akot chemoyoe kasit en health. Chitugul otot chito akoi ot biik chetelelchin kokwotinwek ak echek tugul sikeng'alalen akobo policy nemoe kinam nebo health ako iker kele chang tuguk chemochobotin mising. Biik chekitobot kong'alalen komakichop kokas konyor chitugul representation en community. So kakimwa kele yoche baketobot ak ketesta chitugul sikimuch kiyan koik policy nekararan en tai. Otherwise kakiyeshe ak kele kimokyinigei kechop policy nekararan ne kotoreni ne ityin chitugul.
Makinam komie this policy. Ndangan kotinye putkerin nekararan policy tuguk chemoe komplemento chechang ko korong ko motoku kit nekaishuishan chitugul en healthcare workers. So ko kakimwa kele yoche korong kewithdrawen asikobit kinam afresh kehusishan chitugul amun kakomwa member kole makimoe keker biik alak kele mobo maana en the health. In the health sector we need to involve all that 7 cadres. So as clinical officers, we want to tell the drafters of this policy, and the first person is the chair of the policy maker is Dr. Amod, who is the General Director General of Health. He has been persistently saying issues or non-issues related to the clinical medicine. Clinical medicine was started in 1928. That is a fact, and it's the first clinical practice that happened in Kenya. So we are not here to take the job of any other cadre, but we are complementing each other as healthcare professionals. So we want him to reconsider, and if he is not going to reconsider that, then we are going to block him in court.
Kasom ichek ministry nebo tililindo koyai walutik chebo koibchi kamanut magutikab biik tugul.
Kakiparticipate komie, lakini kinamoche amwachi Ministry of Health akina Excellency Adan Duale ko mache ke consideren all cadres sikobit kotesta health komie en ministry. We cannot be dealing with just a few cadres. We also urge Dr. Amoth to include other cadres when it comes to healthcare inclusion. We only see that there was no participant in. There was no oral health officers during participation in the technical working group, and we urge them next time they form such a team, it should include all cadres.
En kebeberta age ko kamach konyoik cheboisien kerichekab kipkaa ketesyi en policy noton nekamwa kole kikotoret biikab boror en kasarta nekoi kerichekwak chebo kipkaa.
Kokiker kele nyolu kora komi ng'alekab herbs, herbalist biik kerichekab kipkaa amun kerichek chebo kipkaa ko kikotoret biik ako kikosob mionwogik cheter ak cheter. Kit nemoche kityo serikali ko consideren ak kikochi kora regulation sikepiman ole kikoitoito kerichek chuton asikikochi support akichek amun kikere kele kikotoret biik en kenyisiek chechang, kikotoret lagok, kikotoret ng'alekab osikisiet, kikotoret ng'alekab mionwogik chechang. Kemoche anyun kesom kele ketesta ng'alekab policy nebo government nebo health asikobit keregulaten ak kikochi amun kikere kele aldo biik okot emotinwek en koroninyon okot chebo China chebo ano kemoe keregulaten akine chebo gaa oliton Kericho chebo Kenya mzima asikobit kotoret biikyok asikobit kosoben biikyok en betusiek tugul chekimi en emoni.
En logoiwekab emet chebo Asai TV kobun county nebo Kericho, kainenyun ko Winnie Towet.